already last class we learn chapter coordinate geometry. So now our topic is collinearity of 3 points. So now three distinct points a of x1 comma y1, b of x2 comma y2, and c of x3 comma y3 will be collinear if and only the area of triangle ABC equal to 0. So collinear means, so if you take 3 points, any 3 points, so you can plot in a coordinate axis. So in different place means we get one triangle, we get some area, but 3 points are lying in the same line. So no one triangle formed, so the area of triangle becomes 0. So that's why if 3 points are collinear, the area of the triangle ABC equal to 0, because no one triangle formed by using this 3 point. So that's why we can say area of triangle ABC equal to 0. So now we see one sum. So exercise 5.1. So second sum, determine whether the set of points are collinear. Second sum, the given points are, you can take a of a comma b plus c, b of b comma c plus a, and c of c comma a plus b. So now area of triangle by 3 points, so which is equal to 1 by 2 into the formula is x1 y1, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, and x1 y1. So already we know the value of x1 is a, y1 is b plus c, x2 value is b, y2 value is c plus a, x3 value is c, and y3 value is a plus b. So now the area of triangle by 3 points, so which is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 value is a, y1 value is b plus c, x2 value is b, y2 value is c plus a, x3 value is c, y3 value is a plus b, again x1 value is a, and y1 value is b plus c. By pictorial representation method, so this a multiplied with c plus a, we get a into c equal to ac plus a into a equal to a square. Next, the element b multiplied with a plus b, we get a into b equal to ab plus b into b, b square, plus c multiplied with b plus c, we get b into c equal to bc plus c into c equal to c square. So minus of, so b plus c multiplied with b, we get b into b equal to b square plus c into b equal to bc. Next, c plus a multiplied with c, we get c into c equal to c square plus a into c equal to ac. Next, a plus b multiplied with a, we get a into a equal to a square. Next, plus b into a equal to ab. So now 1 by 2 into, so rearranging these terms, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus ab plus bc and plus c. So next, minus of, so here also rearranging, so we get a square plus b square plus c square plus ab plus bc and plus ca. Next, so now this minus goes to inside, so we get minus a square minus b square minus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. So after multiplying minus inside the bracket, so we get plus a square minus a square get cancelled, plus b square minus b square get cancelled, plus c square minus c square get cancelled, plus ab minus ab get cancelled, plus bc minus bc get cancelled, plus ca minus ca get cancelled. All the terms are cancelled, so we get 0. So 0 into 1 by 2 equal to 0. So the area of triangle formed by these 3 points equal to 0. So area becomes 0 means these 3 points are collinear. The next third sum, the vertices of given triangle are taken in order and their areas are provided below. In each cases, find the value of p. So question number 2, so vertices are given and area also given. So now find the value of p. So the given vertices are p comma p, comma 5 comma 6, comma 5 comma minus 2. So area is given. So area equal to 32 square units. Now the area of triangle formed by 3 points equal to 1 by 2 into, we know that pictorial representation method. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1. So we know that x1 equal to p, x2 equal to 5, x3 equal to 5, y1 is p, y2 is 6, and y3 is minus 2. Substitute here. So we get 1 by 2 into p, 5, 6, 5 minus 2, again p equal to 32. Next, on left hand side, 2 goes to right hand side. So multiply with 32, we get 64. So now by pictorial representation method, p multiply with 6, we got 6p. 5 multiply with minus 2, we get minus 10. 5 multiply with p equal to 5p. Next minus. So p multiply with 5 equal to 5p plus 6 multiply with 5 equal to 30. So minus 2 multiply with p equal to minus 2. So now 6p plus 5p equal to 11p. So minus 10 minus of 5p minus 2p equal to 3p plus 30 equal to 64. So now this minus goes to inside. So we get minus 3p and minus 30. So 11p minus 3p equal to 8p. So minus 10 minus 30 equal to minus 40. So minus 40 goes to right hand side. So plus 40. So already right hand side 64 is there. So adding 64 with 40. So we get 104. So 8p is equal to 104. So p is equal to 104 divided by 8. So 1 8s are 8. So 1 8s are 8. Balance is 2. 3 8s are 24. So p value is 13. So next, seventh sum. The points a of minus 3, 9, b of a, b, and c of 4, minus 5 are collinear. So and if a plus b is equal to 1, find the value of a and b. So given that, so these 3 points are collinear. So 3 points are collinear means that 3 points are lying on the same straight line. So area formed by these 3 points is equal to 0. So now area of triangle formed by these 3 points equal to 0. So now, so area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, again x1 y1 is equal to 0. So now this 2 goes to right hand side. So 2 multiplied with 0 equal to 0. So now by pictorial representation method, so minus 3 multiplied with b equal to minus 3b. So a multiplied with minus 5 equal to minus 5a. 4 multiplied with b 9, we get plus 36. Next minus of 9 multiplied with a equal to minus 9a. b multiplied with 4 equal to 4b. Next minus 5 multiplied with minus 3 equal to plus 15 equal to 0. So now minus 3b minus 5b plus 36. This minus goes to inside the bracket. We get minus 9a, minus 4b and minus 15. So now 5a minus 9a equal to minus 5a minus 9a equal to minus 14a, minus 3b and minus 4b equal to minus 7b, 36 minus 15 equal to 21. So now this equation divided by minus 7. So what we get? So divided by minus 7, divided by minus 7. So this equation divided by minus 7. After dividing minus 7, we get 2a plus b minus 3 equal to 0. So now from the equation 1, so a plus b equal to 1. So b is equal, this implies b is equal to 1 minus so a plus b equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 minus a. So b equal to 1 minus a. Substitute here. So we get 2a. So b value is 1 minus a. Minus 3 equal to 0. 2a minus a equal to a. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So a minus 2 equal to 0. So a equal to 2. So this a value, substitute b equal to 1 minus a. So A value is 2. So B equal to 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1. Next, fourth one. In each of the following, find the value of A for which the given points are collinear. So given that the given points are collinear, find the value of A. So now we see second sum. The vertices are, so A of 2 minus 2A, comma B of, second point is minus A plus 1, comma 2A, and third point is minus 4 minus A, comma 6 minus 2A. So now given that the given 3 points are collinear, so given 3 points are collinear means area formed by these 3 points is equal to 0. So area of triangle formed by 3 points equal to 0. So now area 1 by 2 into, so this is x1 value, this is y1 value, and this x2 value, this is y2 value, this is x3 value, and this is y3 value, again this is x1 value and this is y1 value equal to 0. So now left hand side denominator 2 goes to right hand side, so multiply with 0, so 2 into 0 equal to 0. So now by pictorial representation method, so A multiply with 2A equal to 2A square minus A plus 1 multiply with 6 minus 2A plus minus 4 minus A multiply with 2 minus 2A minus of, so 2 minus 2A multiply with minus A plus 1. Next 2A multiply with minus 4 minus A, and 6 minus 2A multiply with A equal to 0. So now 2A square plus, so minus A into minus 2A equal to 2A square minus 6A and minus 2A equal to minus 8A. So 1 into 6 is equal to plus 6. Next minus A into minus 2A equal to 2A square. Next 4 into minus 2A, sorry, minus 4 into minus 2A minus plus 8A and minus 2A equal to 6A. Next minus 4 into 2 equal to minus 8. Next minus 2A into minus A equal to 2A square. Next 2 into minus A equal to minus 2A. Minus 2A into 1 equal to minus 2A equal to minus 4, and 2 into 1 equal to 2. Next plus 2 into minus A square equal to minus 2A square. 2A into minus 4 equal to minus 8. Next A into minus 2A equal to minus 2A square. Next A into 6 equal to 6A. Next this minus goes to inside. Before multiplying minus inside, we simplify this step. So 2A square plus 2A square plus 2A square equal to 6A square. Next minus 8A plus 6A equal to minus 2A. 6 minus 8 equal to minus 2. Next minus of 2A square plus 2A square minus 2A square get cancelled. So we get minus 2A square minus 4A minus 8A minus 12A minus 12A plus 6A equal to minus 6A. Next plus 2 equal to 0. Next this minus goes to inside. So minus into minus 2A square plus 2A square minus into minus 6A plus 6A minus into 2 equal to minus 2. So 6A square here plus 2A square equal to 8A square. Next minus 2A plus 6A equal to minus 4A, and minus 2 here also minus 2 equal to minus 4 equal to 0. So now divided by 4 on both sides, we get 2A square plus A minus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Factorize it, we get the value of A equal to minus 1 comma 1 by 2. So now we can take example 5.2 and 5.4. In exercise 5.1, second first sum and third second sum, you can take homework. If you have any doubt, ask me.